Mallikarjun Kharge bodai nongelam kalyang persya yang rawa thawan Raja Sabha khatnai trek urisau arjar puar ulasha jied kumu Presiden thymmai ke All India Congress Committee. Kani kecing sya jied Kharge ke dai lengba ke result chung election jied Presiden kepala penlong khatnyau trek urisau arjar puar hakaba ula penliam nong aireng persya kata Dr. Shashi Tharoor ubadai ru dukhat ke yang rawa thawan Lok Sabha na Thiruvananthapuram. Kacing penbenar result bala soi do returning officer Madu Sudan Mystery ka peni bau Kharge ulayo nyaujar praspa khandai pinyo bot kat bau Dr. Shashi Tharoor pat ulayo tang shijar nyau puar bot berkibot ke bomsham lakhen kidon saus pa khan rew bot.
Shah Group of Institutions, Bangalore, under the leadership of the most popular public servant Shri Dr. K. Sudhakar, the institutions offers academic opportunities for full-term courses to short and long-term training. Around 500 students from various states are pursuing various courses like nursing, with 100 multiple teaching and non-teaching departments comprising of 500 students pursuing graduation, post-graduation, and doctorate courses. The state of the academic facilities of Shah Group of Institutions provide practical training under the supervision of faculty members. At Shah Group of Institutions, excellence and academic combined with exquisite facilities like sports and games, gym fitness center, digital library, hostel facilities, and also they provide 100% quality placement and merit scholarship can be provided to meritorious students.